Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we will discuss about safe update feature. So what is the safe update features? This is provided by Cloudways. So everything about the Cloudways, including practical example we will say. So why I'm telling the Cloudways is a different kind of features which is provided by Cloudways, because this will save your a lot of time. Like sometimes we're facing a lot of challenge during theme update, plugin update. So it's kind of like nightmare, because every agencies, every developer face a lot of challenge during updates. So I'm giving you one real example what I faced. So if any updates coming, any plugin or any theme something, and suddenly this is updated, so we lost a lot of files which we have written already code, right? Some custom uh, code we have written, we lost everything, right? Sometimes like a website UI will disturb automatically, or also because this will take automatically backup whatever is required, right? Whatever time is required, so this will take automatically. So here we have these options also. And like suppose if you have using any e-commerce platform where we have the multiple websites, so you can enable these features in WordPress website, right? So this will take automatically backup. So these are the features provided by the Cloudways. Okay, so also it's the price. If you're going to check, I will show you the price as a compared to any other service provider, like a very cheap price you can say something, because the if um, you have around up to 5 website, the price will around the 3 rupees $3 per month. And if you having the more than 6 website, the price will uh, get to around the $2 per month something. So here you can see the benefit all the plans something: auto detections, all in one Cloudways, core web scheduling on the demand, a robust automatic, advanced virtual regressions testing, right? And control the gets the update, email notifications. So here you get a lot of benefits using Cloudways, right? This feature basically which we are going to discuss about. Like here also the frequently asked by questions, whatever you can check from the website. Okay, so why we need, first of all, we will take a backup, safe updates, staging if you're using the Cloudways. Okay, so these are the features, like you can take a backup. Okay, save update will the all benefits you can get using the safe updates. Staging, this will also uh, we can also get a one backup kind of staging server. Okay, security, we can get a free something SSL cloud layer also. If you want, you can enable whitelisting, SSH SFTP. Okay, WordPress login details, and many more benefit you will get from the Cloudways. Okay, so I have already account in Cloudways, so I'm going to suppose after the creating, if you don't know how to create a server and how you can create a any particular of server, like I have already, like I already told you, I have one server, I am using the WordPress. And if you don't know how to create, I will cover you different video, so you can comment if you need. I will definitely create a separate video for you guys. So I have this video which is a real WordPress something. I'm going to click here. After clicking, you can see we have the details. If I need something, I can do the anything, right? I'm going to click here, which is the WordPress. You can click on the www. Here we will get a multiple options, so you need to click on the safe update. This is a new feature which we have already discussed, right? So here you can see like all our benefit. We have on-demand updates and schedule updates, end-to-end testing. Okay, visual regression testing, performance testing, premium plugin and themes update, right? And you can activate, because we have the single website right now, so for we can activate this, clicking on the activate, right? So here you can see we have the 1 second just for the wait, because this will take a little bit time sometimes, right? So we can wait for a minute. And also, if you're using a Cloudways, you can use real programmer coupon, you can get in the description area, and by using my coupon code you will get 20% discount something, right? And here you can see, suppose if you want to update entirely something, so you can select like a theme. Okay, so we have options like we can like we don't have options for the right now like with updated, and here we can see like a plugin. Okay, so this features is we can select right now. Okay, so we can click on the update and we can enable this feature. So this way you can enable, and also scheduling something, automatic schedule, if you want you can select. So this will take automatically, we can set like a date and time something, day of week, which day you particular want, or keep which time you want. So we can also like a select update, right? So custom update, here we have a list something, so you can directly select like a custom update, right? So these are the features you provided by the Cloudways. Okay, so these are the very simple process you need to follow, right? And one more things I'm going to tell you, like Cloudways about I'm telling about these features. This is the amazing features, guys. Save update, because you can save your website, because everyone facing sometimes like a lot of problem while updating the theme plugin. So this will save you a lot of time. Okay, so if you want this hosting, you can get link in description area and you can buy. Okay, and if you have any other questions, if you want any other help from my side, please let me know. Definitely I will create a separate video for you. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.